This is 4 things that I wish I could tell my 20-year-old self about money. Number 1, make more money. Sounds simple, but don't take that extra day off all the time. Just work hard, work as much as possible, and make money. Your 40-year-old self will thank you. Number 2, start a budget and stick to it. Get in front of a computer and put down exactly what you spend every month on rent, on groceries, on car payments, everything you're spending money on, and look for ways to save extra money. Maybe don't go out that weekend. Maybe have friends over for dinner instead of going out to that restaurant. Eat in as much as possible. That's a big one. Your 40-year-old self says eat in as much as possible. Then start investing early. This is number 3. Start investing those extra funds that you've saved from your budget. Split it in half, put half of it into an emergency fund, put the other half into an investment, and be regular with your investments. That's my tips to my 20-year-old self. Let me know down in the comments if you have any money saving tips that you wish you could go back and tell yourself. I would love to hear what some people have for suggestions. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.